You're welcome back. Let's solve the final requirement of this question, which is to prepare a bank account. This is our bank account. Firstly, in the statement of financial position given in the question, we have there our bank as 1,200. So that will be the balance brought forward. Now bank as 1,200. Then the inflows we had were the sales of assets that we did. And all that will be found in the realization account. The first was the goodwill that was sold. Okay, so the corresponding debit will show in the bank account. So we have goodwill, 30,000. The next is machinery for 24,000. Okay, so we have machinery and it's 24,000. The next is the inventory for 12,000. Okay, so we have inventory 12,000. Okay, the one I have here is the bank again is the trade receivables 7,400. So we have it here as trade receivables 7,400. Then the payments was to trade payables 6,280. Okay, so trade payables 6,280. And finally is the dissolution cost of 700. So we have it here as dissolution cost, and that's 700. Okay, so these were the receipts and payment that we made during the period. So the final payment and the receipts we made were the payment or the final settlement we made to the partners. For P and Q, we paid 90,310 to P, and we paid 71,240 to Q, and we received 93,930 from R. So let's transfer those to the bank account. Okay, let's start from the credit. So we'll have the capital account. P, we paid 90,310. Q, we paid 71,240. On the debit, we have capital account. We have R. We received 93,930. Okay. Now, let's sum up the credit and the debit. The total on the debit gives 168,530. Okay. We expect this to be equal to the total on the credit. So let's add it up. It is also 168,530. So everything is fine. It is from the bank account you will know whether you have made a mistake or not, because the two sides will not be the same. If the two sides are not the same, that shows you have made a mistake. But if they are the same, that shows everything is fine. In this case, everything is fine. So this is how you prepare the partnership account on dissolution. It is no more than this. I hope you understood everything we have said from A to Z. If you have any questions, let us know. Anyways, so for now, thank you very much. See you in the next video.